Hello and welcome to What's in the Box, brought to you by Handle King. Today we're showing you what to expect when unboxing your mechanical lock. So inside the box you have your instructions that shows you how to do the installation process and also how to change the lock code. You also have diagrams on there to assist you with that. We also have the preset code, so this will be the code that you need to enter if you were going to go with that one. If not, you can change that. We have the digital lock case. This one we have chosen a matte black finish, but you can also get that in the satin chrome finish as well. We also have the internal back plate, and this goes on the inside of the door. We also have two of the neoprene seals, and these sit in between the locks against the door to trap out any of the elements. We also have the bag of fixings, the striker plate, and the latch as well. So inside the bag of fixings, you have your spindle, pair of tweezers, you have 3 fixing bolts and 1 is spare in case you need that in the future. You also have 4 wood screws. You also have the bolt guide and any spare tumblers that you may need. So there you have it, what's in the mechanical lock box, brought to you by Handle King. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe for more.